Let's decorate this cake together. If you want to decorate a cake using two colors, then this video is very right for you. Or if you just need to decorate a cake using a simple step, I'm filling this cake with biscuit filling. Then I went ahead to stack this cake. This is a vanilla 8-inch cake by 4. The most important step here is to crumb coat your cake. Ensure you crumb coat your cake. This is going to give you a good start off and a perfect finish. After that, you can put your last coating on the cake. And today, I am coating this cake very lightly. Next, I am using the second color to coat this cake just around. It is best to use piping bag if you are new to this. Then piping bag would be a good option for you. Also, I ensure to fill in the hollows because I am using offset spatula. Next off is smoothing this cake with your offset spatula, and then you go in with your comb and comb out this cake. If you notice any puffy or any bubbles, you can fill them with water cream, then you comb your cake again until you've achieved your desired smoothness. At this point, I feel this cake is smooth enough. Then I'm going to scrape the edge off and make sure that we have a nice edge. I noticed some bubbles, then I added some buttercream again and I comb. After this, I clean off my board and we are ready to accessorize. Then I am adding this acrylic number 8 to my cake. I also use some fast ball which you can find online or in any cake shop to decorate this cake. I pipe using the shell piping tips on the cake and I add some sprinkles to top it up. Then I added some gold leaf on the body of the cake and the fax ball I mentioned earlier. What do you think? Okay, so if you have not followed us, please ensure that you subscribe to this page. Help us to grow. Yeah, I added some topper as well to finish off and we are done. Please follow this page and like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you.